Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook zucchini flowers. First, select fresh, vibrant flowers that are fully open and free of blemishes. Next, carefully remove the stamen from male flowers or the pistil from female flowers, found gently inside the bloom. Then, use a very slightly damp paper towel to delicately wipe each petal clean. Finally, lay them on a dry towel to air dry completely, ensuring no moisture remains before you begin filling them. For a traditional and delightful filling, combine a half cup of fresh ricotta cheese with 2 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley and 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan. Stir in a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. If you prefer a richer flavor, add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest. Alternatively, you might try a mixture of crumbled goat cheese, minced chives, and finely diced roasted red peppers for a savory twist. To achieve that desirable crisp exterior, prepare a simple, light batter. Whisk together 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1 cup of very cold sparkling water, adding a small pinch of salt. Mix just until combined, leaving a few tiny lumps for a lighter texture. Do not overmix. Another delicious option is to gently dip the filled flowers in 1 beaten egg, then roll them in seasoned fine breadcrumbs for a different kind of golden crunch. Deep frying delivers the ultimate crispy texture for your zucchini flowers. Heat about 2 inches of a neutral oil, like canola or sunflower, in a heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few battered flowers into the hot oil, frying them for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. For a lighter approach, arrange them on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.